that compressor. What's going on, guys? 9:15, market open, blah, blah, blah. Back with another day. Yada, yada, yada. I'm ready, as you can see. Let's open it up. Let's see what's going on today. 15 minutes before market open. I got my creatine, already hit the gym. You know what I'm saying? We on that consistent shit. Yesterday was terrible. I was not locked in. New week opening gap pretty much just fucked me. Let's just get this shit out the way. This new week opening gap, I don't know why I was bullish yesterday. There was zero reason. I'm just pretty much just had the wrong bias going into yesterday. I don't know why I kept looking for longs with the new week opening gap below. But, you make a mistake and you try to learn from it. That's all you can do, right? News. I remember from yesterday that we have a lot of it. Let's see. Is it all done already? October data. This comes out when? What time? It would be two something. Skip data last month. All right. Well, this might come out. I guess maybe it already came out. I don't know. 10 a.m. We have some orange. That's it. Cool. So we have a little pump at 10. Besides that, we are here. Okay. So let's just start on the higher time frame, daily. Let's just see. We do have previous day high up here. We're inside of this new week opening gap. Dun, 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 dun. One dun dun one dun dun one dun 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 dun. Yes, check out previous day high. Okay, so we have an SMT at the high somewhere up there. Let's see, 4 hour. Run around with that compressor with my little bro. Good job. All right. Shout out to Young Manny. I'm on the block. All right. So these aren't equal highs, right? High 936.50, 936.75. That's correct. So SMT from here to here, SMT from here to here. Perfect. Cool. Nasdaq is inside of this new week opening gap. ES is not, so we're fading an SMT at this low as well. Let's go to on the 4 hour. We just kind of created on Nasdaq. It was these kind of staggered highs, just slowly going down. Looks like ES. Let's go down the 1 hour. We're not. There's nothing on really on the 4 hour for us. We are in this higher time frame 4 hour gap on ES. On Nasdaq, we are also in this as well. Yeah, it kind of sucks that yesterday, today is a harder day. Well, every day is hard, but I feel like yesterday was slightly easier just because of this new week opening gap. I literally could just walked in the day and said, "Yep, I'm here for the new week opening gap." That's it, and I would have smacked that shit. But whatever. Today, what is the draw? Let's see, 1 hour. So we're in this new week opening gap again. I'm gonna say it again, just because I'm ripping. I'm like that. Let's fix these. We barely took that out, while Nasdaq did not. So then what? So we're making these highs. This last high, ES pushes above while Nasdaq doesn't, even on this one right here. Then we come down. We inverse a 1 hour on both what's it called, indexes, and now we're down in this new week opening gap on Nasdaq, and on ES we are not. So this was the SMT from yesterday, from here to here, and now we still have this SMT going down here. So I guess we'll just, until ES comes down here into this new week opening gap, I'm I'm gonna put it here just cause to make sure. Cause this low, this is a high, this is a low. So technically, it's opposite on yes. Whatever. I'm gonna just put it down here. If we come all the way down here, you know. Perfect. Cool. Whatever. SMT, we're making active SMT at these lows. Inverse this 1 hour up here on the 30-minute. Not much to see here. Where's our session liquidity? I'm on the block, one stick up in my jeans, I got 2 more sticks in the car. Don't ask me what I seen, cause I ain't telling shit that's bought. London highs, London eyes. And then with this SMT on NASDAQ, we got Asian highs. Yo, what's that? Nigga ain't even talking about nothing, not a damn thing. Alright. We already took out all these lows. NASDAQ also already took out previous day low. We tapped into this. We almost fully filled this new week opening gap. Gonna lower the opacity a little bit so it's not so fucking hard to look at. Okay, so we're starting to reject up pretty much. Yeah, it looks just like, I mean, not really much happened. Like Asia and London session kind of just like consolidation, chop, sideways price action, and then New York. What's this called? Fucking. Am I dumb? Manipulation, that is. I was like, what? Yeah. New York manipulation reversal, maybe. The thing is, do we crash through this 4-hour gap? Here, let me take that fucking off. Do we just like go through this 4-hour gap? That's the thing. I don't think so. Or not 4-hour new week opening gap. I don't think so. But also, it's like ES didn't touch it. But NASDAQ is higher than ES, right? 4-hour, we have this 4-hour order block, but we're not really respecting that. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably just leaning bullish, to be honest. Five minutes till market open. We have an unfilled 15-minute above. And yesterday I was just so zoomed in. If I had zoomed out at like 10 a.m., just looked at the higher time frame, I would have realigned instantly. I realized that after I got off the charts is that like I came in, like obviously checked back over my setup. The short I kept talking about yesterday, that was the trade of the day. That's what I would have caught. Had I had zoomed out and seen everything, would have definitely taken that. I would have seen the overall bias was just bearish. Yeah, nothing too crazy here. So we have that higher time frame SMT. also made a lower time frame one just because ES took out these lows, and then it didn't take out. So there's a bunch of SMTs down here at the lows. All of these are just like SMTing with each other inside of this new week opening gap. I kind of do like this 15-minute gap. I'm not even gonna lie. But are we SMTing the highs right now? We are. We're SMTing the lows and the highs. But I think NASDAQ wants this. But no gap really got inversed yet, except for like if I go all the way down to 30-second. So if we can manipulate these lows, I could rock with that. Oh, never mind. We're just going up there right now. Oh. Yeah, main mission today is just, oh, let me pull this over just so I can show you. Top step, not looking too good right now, honestly. Minimum losses, 48,500, and we're at 49, pretty much 200. So we pretty much have like $670 worth of drawdown, and then the account's cooked, pretty much. Account's done, so if I take a trade today on this account, then it's either going to be still alive or it's going to be dead, because I want to be able to risk, I don't want to spend forever on these evals. But I also don't want to just like throw that shit away, Yeah, we might push. We're probably going to push there as soon as market opens. We're going to push up in this 15-minute gap. going to start getting on the charts earlier. Just because this is really good setup here. Just for like along to this 15-minute gap. Oh, pre-market, I don't know. I don't know about that actually. So early pre-market is usually what I don't like. Holy fuck. Yo, really? Damn. God damn. Holy shit. Holy fuck. That was... Oh my goodness. Fucking... Oh my goodness, bro. Wow. In fucking one candle. Holy shit. Wow. That was a crazy pump. In one, like, this 2 first second. Jesus, 300 points in one candle is insane. 1 minute. We're moving. We do have kind of like a double SMT going on here. Just because ES did not take out these London highs right here. NASDAQ edged Asia highs. So there's quite a bit of SMTs up there. We are rejecting off of OTE. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna be wanting to wait on this, especially since it's so early, and I don't really have a. I would say right now I don't have a good draw. Like, the thing is is the only like real draw left is these Asia highs. I mean, we could come down here and fill out the rest of this new week opening gap, but right now, like there's SMTs at the lows and the highs. Like, I probably want to see. I'm probably just bullish. Like, I probably want to see these Asia highs, this new week opening gap, or not new week opening gap, previous day high up here. Especially from the reaction off this new week opening gap. Probably going to want us to take out previous day highs next since we already took out previous day lows. Where's midnight open? I didn't even peep that before. Where's midnight open? I think we already passed it. Yeah. Midnight open. We were below midnight open before. Yeah. Let's see. See what's going on here. Ooh, one stick up in my jeans. I got 2 more sticks in the car. Hey, mama told me not to sell work. 17.5 saying color t-shirt white. Mama told me. Yeah. All right. Bro. Really chilling, guys. I'm gonna record a video later today. Post it on Christmas since I'm not going to be trading on Christmas. Obviously. None of you guys should be trading on Christmas either. I mean, the thing, it was funny because I traded on Thanksgiving like a dumbass. Like, bro, the market does not move. Like, I took a trade on Christmas and just lost money for no reason. Zero incentive behind that. Let's see what's going on. Pushing back down. It's 9:38. I mean, like, we took out this low, but this wasn't a low on NASDAQ, so can't count that one. I mean, there is like a 30-second low, I guess. What does this even look like? Nah. Nah. So we put in a bullish gap here. So we're pushing down into this 5-minute gap, making an SMT at these lows. ES has equal highs and London highs above it. Looks like we just touched 50% of this wick, and we're respecting that. I'm in this.
Order filled.
Inverse on the 15-minute. Or inverse on the 30-second, I mean. I'm in pretty much somewhere around. I'm in somewhere around here, like this. After we break these internal highs. See what we do here. Oh shit, I should have been break even there since ES took out these highs. Uh-oh. Give us a chance to push up off this 1 minute. 30-second gap. Oh no, that was my fault. I should have been break even right here at these internal highs. I didn't go break even fast enough. But there is a 30-second gap. This is we inversed and we also created another 30-second gap in this range, so we're pushing up off of it now. See what we do from here. Yeah, all right, break even.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order filled.
Oh wait, fuck. Oh my god, I put a fucking buy order there. Okay, that was weird. Okay. I mean, let me see, hold on. So what the fuck happened there? I still made 400 on the trade, but I think I would have made a little more if that shit hadn't happened. Hold on, let me peep. If I can go the fuck over. Hold on, why the fuck is it not letting me? would have made 6. That was weird. Yeah, instead of like taking out my 15 contracts here, it added another 15, and then this doji I just closed out right after. So still 400, but would have made a little bit more. Yeah, because I made 607 on the first 15 and minus 165 on the second 15. So that fucking sucks. Whatever. Alright, so let's zoom out and see what happens. So we still have the high time frame SMT at the highs. All of these Asian highs and session highs are taken out though. We only have this SMT left up here. And previous day highs to go see. Let me see, what exact price did I get filled at? Can I see that? $25, 7-11.75. Perfect. So I was filled right there. Stop at the low right here. CP right here. Perfect. Let's go. That was that. Oh fuck! I didn't mean to delete that. That actually makes me this trade I'm very proud of. That's one of the ones I've been hesitating on recently. I feel like this one had zero hesitation. I was confident, let that shit rip. ES is currently pushing above these previous day highs. Still inside this 4-hour gap for now. Yeah, I really could have held this, but of course I'm not going to hold it with that. But I could have. To see out eventually like these previous day highs. But especially when we opened up 945 here. So we opened up 945. We have an SMT at these highs. I'll take out these. Yeah, honestly, with a win so early, I might just be done. I made 420 on each account. Would have made a little more if I had set my fucking orders right. Because I put a stop buy instead of a fucking limit sell by accident. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna see how this candle opens up. Just because I feel like there might be another. I mean, you never know. I'm just gonna wait. If I see a really good setup, I'll take it. Or a setup that I really like. Just because news comes out again at 10. Yeah, this would have been, 100 points, 101 points. I had 15 contracts, so this would have been $750, right? Let me see, 50 times 15. Yeah, that would have been 750 right there. That would have been nice. But whatever. It's not like I can control that. I just got to start keeping my. I was a little trying to be too quick. You know what I'm saying? Not paying attention to what I'm doing. That's all it is. That's something that never happens again. But this setup, like what I actually just did on the charts, is something that I can't replicate. So, love that. At this point, I'm kind of waiting to see what this 10 a.m. open's gonna do. Because if we open up a 15-minute gap, I'm gonna want us to go down to it. But if we like open up a 15-minute gap, 10 a.m. open, manipulate down, PO3, you know what I'm saying? This previous day high might be juicy, baby. Maybe I'm being greedy, but I'm gonna just switch to the alpha. I'm gonna leave the top step for today. Let's see if I can catch a trade on my alphas. See if something good presents itself. I am actually going to. I'm creating an SMT at these lows right here for now. Bow, 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 bow. not gonna lie, this might be righteous. Just because, I mean, look, on the higher time frame, oh shit. On the higher time frame, we swept out previous day low on NASDAQ, traded into this new week opening gap, rejected up. Now we're about to open a 15-minute right here and trade into that. And go up. And I mean, I know we're SMTing at the previous day highs, but ES also looks super bullish. It's not like ES is SMTing these highs and looking super bearish. ES is only bullish. It's just it's taken out the highs before NASDAQ has. But it really all depends on what happens at this 10 a.m. open. I'm going to keep it a bean. I'm going to wait to turn that on. Let me see. It's on the 15-minute right now, right? Yep. Cool. Alright, so let's start drawing in this shit. Cool. So 10 a.m. open. Let's see what happens. We are actively creating an SMT at the low. We just opened up this 15-minute right here. So let's see what happens here. There we go. Traded into the 15-minute. Keeping this SMT in place. We even have a lower time frame SMT with these more recent lows as well. Because yes, oh, maybe it will. Let's see. Maybe yes, we'll take them out. Yeah, bro. If this sets up, if this like we just fucking inverse this shit or show some nice shit, like about to bet my whole life savings on this shit. No cap. This is looking kind of beautiful. 5-minute unfilled right here too. This is looking fucking amazing. Not gonna cap. Even though there's not really an internal high, the 5-minute gap is like the internal high, so it's not really a break-even point. But oh, okay, never mind. Actually, we're just gonna go straight down. We're just like not gonna fucking go up at all. Fuck me. Alright, yeah, fuck the 15-minute gap. Who needs that, right? Damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Never mind. Fuck me. No more SMT. We still tapped the. We came down and tapped the new week open gap on Nasdaq, but technically, we take out this low. Yeah, I mean we took out this 1-minute low, so I guess technically there's an SMT. Just fucking freeze. What the fuck happened? Yo, TradingView, you good? IG, you good? Oh, okay, you're good. All right. It's like, all right. Oh, right. This still kind of looks good. I mean, we only have like this high, the SMT with this like 1-minute low down here, which isn't like the best. However, we still have like both indexes entering into a level of liquidity. ES in this 15-minute gap. Nasdaq also in this 15-minute gap, but traded down to the weekly gap as well and touched it. So reacting up here, we would still respect that 15-minute. There's another 15-minute down here too. Okay, so this is not really that bad at all. Honestly, if we can stay down here for 10:15 and then 10:15, oh, I know I'm just like pushing it back, but like 10:15 open, boom, 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 that would be fire because then we could target this. Oh, this is not a gap. Never mind, I'm tripping. I thought this was a 15-minute gap for a second, but it's not. It's just a little high. All right, what's going on here? Doji. Even when I'm faded, boy, I'm never on my level. I'm fed up. I'm just gonna delete this 15-minute gap because on Nasdaq that shit does not matter because we have this one down here. So this one. not trying to call you a hoe. You just know what you want. You just know what you want. And it's all good in this backwood. It'll fuck up your lungs. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this here. I gotta pee. Ugh. I'm not gonna lie. This shit might set up super fire. I might have to pull out the whole 401k, put my whole retirement on this shit. No cap. Ugh. Let's see. Let's see what we do. Oh, never mind. We're going up now. Yeah, honestly, what I really want now, like after seeing like all this kind of like chop right here, what I really want is like this right here. We get like a little bit of this action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come back down here. Do something here. Maybe like fucking, so here, let me make this shit not like blue. I want us like, yup, make this. Maybe make like another one. 10-15 open. Hit a little bloop, bloop. That's what I want. Then, because this would be a perfect break even to this 5-minute gap. Or maybe I'm just delusional and we'll just rip up right now and I'm just ass. Or maybe I'm the god. Maybe I'm God. Maybe I know what I'm talking about. Nah, we'll see though. We might just fucking, maybe we'll give me exactly set up what I want and then I'll take the trade and then we'll just fuck me in the ass. We'll see. Excuse my profanity, but We'll see. We'll see. There's only one way to find out, and that's just to wait. We're getting an inversion to the downside. That's interesting. So we retrace into a 5-minute gap, inversion down. That's interesting. Yeah. Because look, because then we're stacking the this PO3. Because look, this 30-minute is going to look the same as this 15-minute, right? However, when the new 15-minute opens up, if we manipulate lower again, then when we go higher, this is the open, low, high for the 30-minute and for the hourly, because the hourly also opened up at 10. Yo, this is looking kind of heat. This might be a heater, I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie to y'all, this might be fire. Or it might not be. Let's see what happens, though. 2 minutes, 2 more minutes till the little macro opens up. Let's make sure I got all everything I need to see. I mean, as far as we have this new week opening gap with an SMT at the low, so I mean, I'm not looking to short at all. We are inside of it. We're manipulating off of 15-minute gap right now. We're not manipulating, but we are inside of this 15-minute key area. We're also in a 15-minute key area on ES as well. What do we see? We touch it. We also come past and touch this new week opening gap. Respect, push up, come back down. Respect. All I need is for the 15-minute to respect this gap down here. And then also for us to, so I need us to 10-15 open like somewhere here. Come back, touch it, and go up. That's all I need. That's it for me. That's it for me. And then I'm just fucking in the trade regardless, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it. Just fucking, I should just fucking long right now. Fuck it. Fucking greed mindset. Okay. Let's see. Let's make sure this is on the 15-minute. Alright, cool. So you gotta think, this is what the 30-minute looks like right now, too. When this changes, because we're about to open up a new 15-minute, the 30-minute is still going to look like this with this wick down here. I don't know why that's still there. Alright, here's a moment of truth. 10-15 open. Am I a fucking trading god or what? Or am I just ass? Am I a fake and a fraud? You're a fake and a fraud. Oh, I didn't even realize we did actually SMT these lows. Did we? Low, 630. 630. Oh, these are equal lows. Unless we have equal lows below us. Oh no, we just open and we're just going up. Yo, that's not supposed to happen, man. Oh wait, I mean, is this... The inversion here, this is kind of good, right? Doji. I kind of like this.
Order
I'm
filled.
running a little late, but I'm gonna get in this. Hold on, let me lock in. This is where I'm at. Break even because of that high. Actually, I'm not gonna go break even because I'm gonna wait 2 seconds. My fill was kind of high. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put my stop at what would have been break even. Well, my stop's right here right now, actually. Move full stop to break even now. Make sure I place the right fucking limit sell this time. Or are we gonna stop me out? Stop's already at break even, so if we come down any lower, I'm out. Oh, am I saved or no? Oh, I'm not saved.
Order filled.
Alright, break even. Had I got in at the right time, I think this would have played out. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna keep my stop down here if I got filled up here, if I'm supposed to be break even here. It was really like you get in right here, 1 minute inversion. Is there's not 2 minutes, nothing like that, yeah. 1 minute inversion here, break even point here. Here. So I got break even already, so I didn't nothing. So I'm just gonna put what would have been. So stop at the low here, TP up here, break even right here.
Order
I'm
filled.
actually just gonna see if I can scalp this to the 15-minute gap. Wait, what am I doing?
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what I was doing there. I did close barely in profit, but like, holy shit, that kind of just like scared me. I just kind of entered. I was like, yeah, we're gonna hit this 15-minute gap anyway. Let me just fucking punch an order, get some easy profit. But Jesus Christ, I entered like up here at the top of this candle for like a fucking retard. But this would have been the trade right here. Let's see if this shit plays out. Yeah, because ES is already above these highs right here. So I'm creating an SMT off these highs right now. Yeah. I would probably, if I was in this trade right now, I'd probably just close it right now. Dead ass. Not even gonna cap to you. Just close that hoe. Because, yeah, last time I held the trade here, we just went down. And we went right back to break even. Oh. I'll move this up. It's 30 minutes about to close. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really have a reason not to take this out. However, the momentum in the market just might be gone. I need to know now. No, now. Do you love me again? I need to know now. No, now. Do you love me again? I need to know now. No, now. Can you love me again? I need to know. No, now. Can you love me again? Can you love me again? SMT here. 130 open. Oh, there was a 30-second inversion there. I should have entered on that. And then I could have been break even at this high right here. Up to this 5-minute gap. Yeah, but if we close up here in no man's land, I'm not about to enter on that. No way. Let's see, what level is that? 56, 80, 75. Oh, it would have been right here. Let's forward test that one. I would be break even already here. Oh, break even. Alright, yeah, break even right there. Yeah, would have got broke even right now. Right there. Yeah, I might just leave it at that and just take the winning day. Just because, I mean, the market's just chopping right now. There's not shit going on. We can move a little more. Maybe like manipulate down or something, but ES is already in this 5-minute gap. Why is NASDAQ edging those highs like that? There it goes. Okay, yeah. Gotcha, that's fine. Just I was just looking at if there was anything to look for, you know what I'm saying? But gotcha. Yeah, I might have seen one of them maybe the whole time living here. I just didn't look at it. Yeah. Yeah, and it also what's it called? Before I moved in here, I was at my brother's like rental property or whatever, and there was like a few more of them over there. Like since it was an actual house and the house was mad old, every once in a while I would see one run across. I was like, oh hell no. For sure. Then roaches, you can't get rid of little roaches. No way. And when you see one little roach, it's like 3 million of them in the walls. Mm-hmm. All right. All right, bro. You can do it out here if you want me to. Fuck it, why not? Yeah, bro. Let's see. I got pest control in here right now. All right, brother. Thank you so much. Yes, sir, brother. Merry Christmas. All right, cool. Oh fuck. Nah, pest control had to come spray the apartment real quick. Had to watch his ass. What's going on here? We're just reaching for previous day high, huh? Just going up. Yeah, maybe this shit would have hit. I should just enter right here for real. And done like a 1-to-1. And just had some balls of steel. Like this. Oh, that shit would have edged me. Holy shit, maybe I shouldn't have done that. I would have been scared as shit. I mean, there's not really anything else for me to catch, I'm gonna be honest. It's especially in the last like there's 20 minutes left for me. Like hell no, I'm probably just good now. Let's see. If this was a regular high, I would enter here and then just wait for ES to take out previous day high, or not take out previous day high, but take out this high. But since this is already an SMT high with the previous day high, it's just kind of like way lower probability like that. Let's see. It's all good in this backwood. It'll fuck up your lungs. Kind of what I'm seeing here is I see we're in a 5-minute gap. There's a 5-minute unfilled below us. I'm thinking if we come up, we SMT these highs, take out this, we would at least see a retracement to like a 5-minute. If we're going to still be bearish. Or if we're going to still be bullish, you know. Because if we had a lot of momentum, we would just go straight up through this, right? We wouldn't like chop around or nothing like that. really scalping, I could fucking like enter right here to these highs, but meh. Be honest, I don't know. This is weird. Yeah, I'm done. All right. Let me go take a piss and I'm going to go over the trades I took. Nails done, edges laid, yes, okay. Bad bitch, and I'm paid, yes, okay. I put that little pussy to the rest. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably just good today. Probably just straight. I mean, I'm going to put a line here just because this will be an unfilled 15-minute, but that is 11 a.m., so it's 99% chance I'm not taking a hoe. $943.50. Is this also $943.50? Yeah, okay, so ES made equal highs with this SMT high up here. And that's all the way up here for us on NASDAQ. So right now we are in this 5-minute gap. Is there any other sort of gap here? There's a 30-minute gap here. Yeah. So we're inside a 5-minute and a 30-minute. That is like if we stay here. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you this. This is what I was talking about before, because you can see that this shit moves so quick. My TP was here. We took out my TP, but instead of putting TP, I pretty much just put a stop loss here. Or a stop buy. So like as soon as we hit this, instead of selling my 15 contracts, we bought 15 more. and then we came down here, and then I just closed out because I'm not gonna like if we're gonna take out my TP, I'm gonna close the fuck out. I'm not gonna like let that shit hold down and then let us reverse. Like that's just idiotic, right? So I just ended up not making as much as I could have. This would have been 750 straight green 750 and been easy, but just like I was saying before, this isn't some shit that you can like predict, I guess. Boom. We had Asia highs. Where were Asia highs? On NASDAQ. So here 15-minute. I think these were that was it. So boom. Boom. Fuck, I don't remember if there was an S&T here at the lows. Yeah, there was. With like this low. Good trade, comma, SMT plus 30-minute inverse. Not 30-minute. Good trade entered off 30-second inverse. What else? TP Asia highs would have been plus 750, right? Because it's 100 points. But you can't really see the amount of points on here on Trade of 8. I'll just say would have been about. Not definitely not spelled right, but I'm just gonna fucking down and I closed. Cool. Would have Asia TP add to dictionary. Boom. Boom. not trying to call you a hoe. You just know what you want. There's fucking Wrapped. I don't know if I want to show this, bro. I mean, I'm 20 based on quality scores and market stress. Yo, they said, yo, they said I'm ass, bro. Holy shit. I'm dead. What's my trading persona? Like a ghost in the market. Barely there. Yo. Nah, it's because I just restarted this shit this week. There's nothing here. I'm dead. That's too funny. It's got its own little rap thing. Girl, I'm not trying to call you a hoe. You just know what you want. I'm not taking a trade here. Who am I fooling? I'm not. You know, some days I let the psychology get the best of me. But today, I'm not going to. I'm just going to show both of these. Top step, 420 per account. This alpha I had entered a trade and closed barely above break even. So, that's it. The setup looks kind of nice. All right, let me just see what this. Let me see what 11 a.m. open does. Because last time I took a trade off the 11 a.m. open, it was perfect. Because what do we have? I mean, we have an SMT at this high, at the higher highs as well, on the higher time frame. We're pushing down 11 a.m. open. What do we do? Straight down? Pull this back over here. so SMT at the highs. Open high. If we react. Yeah, but our stop wouldn't even be protected here. We would need to come down and then retrace here, because if we inverse straight here, there's nothing. Yeah, this is what I need. If I'm going to get in at all. Because we did have our 11 a.m. open high. But a straight inversion candle from here, like, yes, these are low resistance lows. Yes, we have this 15-minute below, but I need something that's going to give me a decent, just like, point to be break even at. If we're not going to take out all of these lows. Okay. SMT here as well.
Order filled.
I'm getting that. Break even at this low. There's a 30-second inverse right here. Break even. That's my fill right there. That's my fill. I went break even right here already. So if we reverse back, I'm straight. I just want to give the chance of market to dump a little bit.
Order filled.
There you go, break even. Alright, I'm done. Give the market a little chance to dump for me if it wants to. If it doesn't, goodbye. See? Simple. It's like this. This is the 30-second inversion. It's like this. Oh, there it goes. It's gonna stop me at a break even and then go down. Fuck, dude. That sucks. Damn, that really sucks. Yeah, I mean, oh well though. If it was like maybe early in the day, maybe I would wait till like one of these highs to go break even, but probably not, honestly. This is fine for me. Like, I'm happy with this. Yeah, perfectly happy with this. Yeah. Anyways, hope y'all have a wonderful day. Just remove everything. I got some shit to do, so peace. Y'all have a great day. Merry Christmas. It's coming up. It's Christmas week. Thankful for everything, guys. Let's go.